Lit code number 48, rotate image. This is medium question. Let's get into it. You are given an n by n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. Note, you have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do notation. Let's check with example 1. This is input matrix, so we need to rotate clockwise like this. Okay, let's start with the proposed solution. Proposed solution maybe we will update cell one by one. So 1 move to here, 3 move to here, 9 move to here, 7 move to here, and then 2 move to here, 6 move to here, 8 move to here, and finally we got this value. But this is very complicated, so I'm gonna show you one idea to solve very simplified. Okay, I will show you an idea. This is image, and then okay, let's swap the image with this axis. So that means 4 change with 2, and then 7 change 3 with 3, and then 8 change with 6, and then okay, let's do it. 4, 2, 7, 3, 8, 6, and now we will how can I do? We will rotate horizontally. First we rotate diagonally, and then next we rotate horizontally like this. 1 to 7, 2 to 8, 3 with 9. So this one is 7, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3. Let's check with this value. 741, 741, 852, 963. Did it make sense? Yeah, so we will use this idea. So first we will rotate diagonally. So for allow in range length matrix, so we needed to change all of row, right? But column is different. Column first is no need, second need only 1, third need 2. Fortunately, this one is the same as index of row, right? Index 0 is 0, index 1 is 1, index 2 is 2. So for column in range row, so let's swap matrix row and column, comma matrix, column is row, is matrix, column is row, and matrix row, column. So I will swap matrix row with column, 8 4 with column with row, 4 8. And then after rotate diagonally, and then next let's rotate horizontally. For row in range length matrix, and then matrix I'm gonna use reverse. Matrix love is reverse it. Matrix love. No need to return because this is in place. Fix the typo. Okay, looks good. Let's submit the code. Okay, in this case, time complex is linear time with constant space because we used in place. Thank you.